guys, welcome back in this new amazing tutorial. Today I will show you how to rename a folder. If you don't know how to create a folder, you can click here for the video. Let's go. To rename the folder, you have to right click the folder and click rename, and I will rename it rename because we are renaming it. Okay, and I will also show you how to delete a folder. You have to select it and put it in the virtual trash, not the actual trash. Okay, I'm sorry, but today I can't show you the process on Mac because I had to sell it because I was starving. And thank you so much, guys. If this video reaches 3 likes, I will do the tutorial how to create a text file, a text file